Yo, what's good everybody, Chelsea Cage and Reaper here. So I got a little bit of an unboxing for you guys. I lost one of the knobs on my orange micro dark and I could not find it, so I decided to order some aftermarket knobs from StewMac. And I had them here for a while, I just forgot to unbox them the day they came in. So here we are. Alright. Go ahead over this side. Alright. Let me go ahead and show you the sticker here. StewMac. Alright. Let's see, how am I going to open this? New? Oh, okay, so it opens like this. Alright. There's fucking packaging for knobs. Holy shit. Okay, yeah. They sent me a lot, okay. And it looks like they sent me some smaller ones too. That's nice. So I can mix and match. Let's just see how that works out. But what I like about these, unlike the ones that came on the micro dark, is I can go ahead and show you. Alright. So, crap. Dropped them, damn it. So, as you can see, they're pretty much the same style, but if you look, let's see how well I can show this, alright? There's no set screw. These have a brass, what looks like a brass insert. Actually, no, that might not be brass, but it has an insert, which matches up with this, but it also has a nice little set screw. So, my plans are, let's see if I can go ahead and pull this off. Yeah, see, that's how you lose them really fucking easy. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn these all the way down. Now, the reason why I ordered some red ones is because I want to try and do a black on either side and then a red one in the middle. We might see how that looks, because I'm going to do this on camera. The issue is I don't have a screwdriver by me. What? Another screwdriver here. Louisiana Machinery, Caterpillar. Good little screwdriver. Hopefully it's small enough. But, yeah. Actually, I can go ahead and show you the knobs here. A little bit bigger. Kind of the same, but not really. Like I said, if you look in here, plastic insert, and then this one has like a brass insert. So let's see. I'll make sure it is correct. There we go. And then I'll take the flathead and hopefully tighten this up and make sure it is where I want it. Let's see. There we go. It's going to be a little bit of a pain in the ass. I can see it now, but yeah, I'm gonna have to line this up like there. Alright, so we got one. Okay, as you can see, it's lined up. And like I said, now I am going to have to see which size is It fits. And like I also have some smaller ones just like this guy as well, so yeah. But like I said, I gotta figure out which ones match up really nice, and yeah, there's several different sizes in here. So what I have to do is pour it out on my hand. Shit. I got so many of these, I can actually customize my Friedman too. Let's see. The same size? No, that's big. Pull this over here. These two are the same size, okay. What about this? Nope. 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 And nope. Okay, well, I guess it'll have some big ass fucking knobs, alright? If I really wanted to, if I didn't like the way it looked, I could grab one of the bigger red knobs and customize it that way. Which we might experiment in this video. Given I have enough storage. Alright. Go ahead and keep these. Like I said, I got enough. I could probably customize several of my amps, so go ahead and do it the same way. Okay. Oh, that one screwed in a little bit. Alright. Now let's see. Yep. Still too much. And this should be good right here. Let's see. Alright. There we go. Yep. And it should be good now. A little bit off center. Yeah, I have to do it this way. It's hard to do it holding it like that. Alright. There we go. Is that straight? Let's see. Perfect. Alright. And then we're going to go ahead and take this other black one and put it. Looks like we're going to have to screw this one too. Alright. Nope. Yeah. Let me see if I can't fit a bigger one on here. I doubt I'll be able to, but I just want to see. Because these are, looks like they're a little bit smaller. So we might get away with it, alright? See? I don't I really don't know how this is gonna fucking look. There we go. Make sure this is turned all the way down. Alright. I don't know. What do y'all think? Where's that little bag at again? Let's see if it's the same size. And what about these? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna put the red one back on, the smaller red one back on, and see how that looks. There we go. Like I said. I like the bigger red one a lot better because it kind of hides that little bit of a gap. So, I mean, at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter because it's my amp anyways. So, yeah. Alright. Make sure they're all lined up. Yeah. Looks kind of like a fucking Tonka toy now, but... Or not a Tonka toy, but you get my point. I do like it though, because I'm gonna tell you something right now. I did not care for these little bitty ass fucking, yeah, I didn't care for these. They were too small. I like this because now I can just kind of, yeah, that is nice. I like that. And then the fact that they are set screwed, that's actually nice as well. So now they won't be coming off. But got a lot of these, so if I have any other amps will be able to put knobs on, I'll definitely check that out. And yeah, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and do this real quick. Let's see, I think that's everything. I just put them in like this and send them to where I can find them. But to get I don't know if you'd really call this a mod. I mean, yeah, I did change the knobs on it to personalize it, but I wouldn't necessarily call this a full-on mod, so. But, what I do like about it is I can customize it. So, say if I wanted a larger red on the volume, and then say a black on the shape, and then a black on the gain. Doesn't matter, I can do it however I want. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like down below. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be alerted when I upload new videos. I'm your host, Cajun Reaper, and I'm signing out. Peace.